Now in a minute I want to insert a gallery of pictures, but before we do that I want to insert a new section that will basically display the text that says something like pictures of Thailand. So if I click here I can go and create a new section. I'll just use the default there. If I scroll down to where it says text, I can click on text. And again, what I can do is I can click within this default text, press Ctrl A to select everything, and in this case I'll just paste in the words pictures of Thailand. If I click on OK here, you can see at the moment it doesn't exactly show up, so we need to do some formatting here and maybe center it. So let's go here. So this is what we've typed in. What I can do is just click on where it says align center, and that will align it in the center, so that's tidied it up a bit. If we go down here, there's various other things we can do. We can change the background and maybe add a link. We don't want to do that just at the moment. I just want to make this bigger. So I click on design here, and where it says text, I can change the font if I want to. I can change the weight. So let's experiment with say bold maybe. So that's showing up a little bit better now. And if we come down here, I can make it a lot bigger. So if I drag this across, maybe something like that, pictures of Thailand. And again, there's other things I can do. I can change the colors, and I can change the letter spacing and what have you, add shadow effects. So there's all sorts of things I can do here. But for the time being, we'll just leave it as that. So I'll click here. So what I've now got is this huge great picture up here with the button and everything. Then down here I've got those three blurb items. Then I've got the text that says pictures of Thailand. And what I'm going to do in the next section is put a gallery underneath this. So we'll just save this for now.